Okay guys, so we just finished filming this last and final TikTok.
It was easy. You'll see it. You already saw it. It was.
No, it's not.
I'm a god.
Ready? It's easy. Okay, ready? Copy me.
I got this.
Look at me.
I got this.
Alright, ready?
Dance battle, go.
I'm a cake.
I'm gonna cake.
He just does that the whole time.
Boom. I win.
I'm gonna cake.
Oh my god.
Oh, cake. I'm gonna cake.
What's up, guys? I'm DG.
And I'm Pia.
And together we are
DG and Pia.
We do lots of stuff,
And we love doing that stuff. And the stuff we're doing today is I'm gonna teach DG 3 TikTok dances. I already taught him Savage, which we posted on TikTok, and it went.
Acting stupid. What's happening? I'm a savage.
Yeah. So now today I'm gonna teach him 3 more TikTok dances. We're gonna start from easy. We're gonna go like kind of hard, and then the super hard. The last dance is the hardest dance on TikTok. That's what people are saying. So
I got this.
okay, guys. So we're gonna start with the first dance called Colors, and it starts with a K.
Close to K.
Colors with a K.
K.
So Scoochie. That way. There you go. Scoochie. All right, ready? 1, 2, mop. Look, stop. Whoa. Spin, clap. Lasso. Bounce. Up, down. Sway. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. It's okay. And that's it.
By myself now? TikTok?
No, one more with me.
Okay. Ready?
Ready? Go. Spin a little on me. Said from California, freaky, and she wanna. She like boys and girls, so it's okay with me. Okay, guys, now we're gonna record DG doing his Colors dance, and we're gonna record it on TikTok. My phone's built down here. You can't see it though, but here we go. Okay guys, so that looked pretty good. So now I'm gonna teach him his second dance. It's, I don't know the actual song.
Cake.
But it's cake. It has a lot of cake.
Cake. We like cake.
We love cake.
Cake is.
No. He doesn't like cake, guys. Comment down below if you like cake or no. I like ice cream cake, but anyways, back to TikTok. Alright, ready?
Yes.
All of my cake, yeah, tits. All of my cake, tits. All of my cake, yeah, all of my cake, yeah, Okay, ready? Regular speed, which is pretty fast. Ready? All of my cake, yeah. All of my cake, yeah. All of my cake, yeah. Peace sign.
Got it.
And you have to do the sound with me. Go. Okay, guys, now we're gonna record it on TikTok. I literally search on TikTok. Cake. And ready?
Cake. I'm gonna cake you. I'm gonna cake you.
Oh.
Cake. I'm gonna cake.
Now we're gonna do the third one, which is on TikTok. People are saying it's the hardest dance on TikTok, so I'm gonna try to teach DG the dance. It's like super fast, like.
This one is cake.
All right, ready? So go. Boom, boom, and I'm swerving in the street. on the street. Beat said, hey,
What?
get the out of my way.
Boom.
Now we're gonna do it fast.
I got it.
Okay,
Boom.
let's get closer.
Me and Pia, fastest duo in the world. Let's go.
Ooh.
Boom.
Yes.
Piece of cake. Let's do it.
And I'm swerving in the street. And they murder on the beat. Lurking on the street. Then it's working on the street. Said, hey, get the fuck out of my way.
Boom.
Okay.
TikTok.
And I'm swerving in the street. Give me burning on the beat. Then it's working on the beat. Said, hey, out of my way.
Okay, guys, so I taught DG 3 TikTok dances, colors, cake, and the hardest dance on TikTok. I think he had lots of fun. Did you have fun? Yeah, he had fun. If you guys like this video, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe and hit that notification bell to know when we make more videos. And comment down below what TikTok dance you want me to teach DG next. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.
Bing.